Level 1, investigations. Topic 2, temperature. And it does link to salinity and very much links to our topic 3, light, which is the electromagnetic energy that is driving our experience of heat and our understanding of temperature on the surface of this planet and in the ocean. So for this, we're going to first of all look at the relationship between heat and temperature. And we'll look at thermal capacity and thermal expansion. Thermal expansion will lead us to designing and making an instrument which will measure temperature, the average amount of energy and heat. We'll link this to the particle nature of matter, how the particles in water and the energy they have relate to heat and our measure of that temperature. Designing and building our little thermometers from any containers. We'll then look at scale and standardisation. This underpins a lot of our understanding of the tools and instruments that we use in science, and also the units we use as well. We'll come up with our own scale, but we'll look a little bit and we'll experience some of the history of science, especially around the science of temperature, when we reenact some of the first tests. You probably need a fridge or freezer or two to work with this. And with our old friend salt and with ice, we'll set our own scale and calibrate our own thermometers and then test them. And after that, again, connecting to our nature of science, the world of science, we'll design and carry out a valid and reliable experiment into thermal mass and the effect of mass on change in temperature and heat capacity. Now that thermal mass idea, the concept of thermal mass and heat and temperature, underpins a lot of our experience of and our understanding of the oceanic world and the nature of life on this planet. Let's get into it. Temperature.